Hey guys, good morning. So on the hour chart, we actually just crossed another MACD reversal. Again, last time we did this, we were at prices of tops of about 29 cents and we hit lows of 14 cents. I do think we're going to be selling off again. Check for the price zones of 20 cents to roughly 18 cents. And that actually just crossed right now. So I am expecting a drop to basically start going right now. On the 4 hour looks relatively bullish, and on the day chart, we look extremely bearish on the day chart. I will be making another video of when I'm actually going to start buying again. It actually involves the day chart and it involves the stochastic. But I mean, if you guys saw I actually had already made a video, but I won't be posting that till a little bit later today, possibly. But if I do, once that actually happens, I will be posting it everywhere. That way you guys know if you actually want to buy in.